AI chatbots advanced. AI chatbots. Advanced level. Introduction. AI chatbots. Advanced are intelligent systems that can understand, process, and generate human-like conversations using advanced artificial intelligence techniques. Unlike basic chatbots that follow fixed rules, advanced AI chatbots can understand natural language, remember context, handle complex conversations, learn from data, provide personalized responses. They are widely used in customer support, virtual assistants, healthcare systems, banking services, e-commerce platforms, AI-powered applications. Examples include modern conversational systems like ChatGPT, Google Assistant, and enterprise AI bots. What are advanced AI chatbots? Advanced AI chatbots are systems powered by natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning, ML, that can engage in human-like conversations. In simple words, advanced chatbot equals a smart conversational AI that understands and responds intelligently. They can understand user intent, process language context, generate meaningful responses, learn from interactions. Evolution of chatbots. Type description. Rule-based bots, predefined responses. Menu-based bots, guided options. AI chatbots, NLP-based understanding. Advanced chatbots, context-aware. Learning systems. Why advanced AI chatbots are important. Modern applications require personalized interaction, 24/7 support, fast responses, scalable systems. Advanced chatbots provide checkmark human-like conversations, checkmark context awareness, checkmark multi-language support, checkmark personalization, checkmark automation at scale. Key technologies behind advanced chatbots. Technology purpose. NLP, natural language processing. Understand text. NLU, natural language understanding. Extract meaning. NLG, natural language generation. Generate responses. Machine learning, learn patterns. Deep learning, handle complex language. Transformers, power modern AI models. Example chatbot input data. User_input equals, I want to cancel my order. Intent equals cancel_order. Entities equals order, print, intent, quote, intent, print, entities, quote, entities. How advanced AI chatbots work. Step 1. Input processing. User sends a message. Example, user_input equals book a flight to Toronto. Step 2. Intent recognition. AI identifies what the user wants. Example, if book in user_input, intent equals booking. Step 3. Entity extraction. AI extracts important details. Example, destination equals Toronto. Step 4. Context handling. AI remembers previous conversation. Example, context equals destination, Toronto. Step 5. Response generation. AI generates a reply. Example, print, booking flight to destination. Example, advanced chatbot, Python, conceptual, def chatbot, context equals, while true, user_input equals input, quote, if hello in user_input, print, bot, hello, how can I help you? Quote, if book flight in user_input, context, task, equals booking, print, bot, where would you like to go? Quote, if Toronto in user_input and context.get, task, equals booking, print, bot, flight to Toronto booked, quote, if exit in user_input, break, else, print, bot, I didn't understand that. Chatbot. Advanced features of AI chatbots. 1. Context awareness. remembers previous messages. Context equals product, laptop. 2. Personalization, customizes responses based on user. User equals John. Print. F. Hello, user. How can I assist you? Quote. 3. Multi-turn conversations, handles long conversations. Example. User. I want to order food. Bot. What would you like? User. Pizza. Bot. Order placed. 4. Sentiment analysis, detects user emotions. Sentiment equals negative. If sentiment equals negative, print. Apologies for the inconvenience. 5. Integration with systems. Chatbots connect with databases, APIs, payment systems, CRM tools, AI models behind advanced chatbots. Modern chatbots use transformer models, large language models, LLMs, pre-trained neural networks. These models are trained on large datasets to understand language. Full menu-based advanced chatbot simulation. Def chatbot. Context equals. While true. Print. N1. Greet. Print. 2. Book flight. Print. 3. Cancel order. Print. 4. Exit. Choice equals input. Choose option. Quote. If choice equals 1. Print. Bot. Hello. How can I help? Quote. L if choice equals 2. Destination equals input. Enter destination. Quote. Print. F. Bot. Flight to destination booked. L if choice equals 3. Print. Bot. Your order has been cancelled. L if choice equals 4. Break. Else. Print. Bot. Invalid choice. Chatbot. Concepts learned from advanced chatbots. Checkmark NLP and NLU. Checkmark context management. Checkmark conversational design. Checkmark machine learning basics. Checkmark I model integration. Checkmark human AI interaction. Real life analogy. An advanced chatbot is like a smart human assistant who understands what you say, remembers your conversation, responds intelligently, learns from interactions. Ways to build advanced chatbots. You can build real chatbots using Python, NLTK, Spacy, OpenAI APIs, Dialogflow, Rasa, LangChain, Hugging Face Transformers. Ways to improve this project. Add NLP libraries. Use real datasets. Add memory, context storage. Connect to APIs. Build web-based chatbot. React plus Spring Boot. Add voice input, output. Train ML models. Common mistakes beginners make. Crossmark treating advanced bots like rule-based bots. Crossmark ignoring context handling. Crossmark not using real datasets. Crossmark overcomplicating without understanding basics. Crossmark ignoring user experience. Where advanced AI chatbots are used. Advanced chatbots are used in customer support, banking systems, healthcare assistance, e-commerce platforms, education systems, virtual assistants. Simple definition. Advanced AI chatbots. AI systems that understand, process, and generate human-like conversations intelligently. Final summary. Advanced AI chatbots are powerful systems that simulate human conversation using AI. They help beginners learn. Checkmark NLP concepts. Checkmark I model usage. Checkmark conversational systems. Checkmark real-world AI applications. They are one of the most important applications of AI today.